Hi everyone, welcome back. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to create an account on the official Nvidia website so you can access GeForce services, game drivers and more. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to the official Nvidia website at www.nvidia.com. Once the site loads, hover your mouse over the profile icon in the top right corner of the screen and click it. You'll be taken to the Nvidia account page. Now fill in the required information, including your email address, display name, date of birth and password. Re-enter the password to confirm it, then check the box that says I am human and complete the captcha. A new window will appear asking you to verify your email. Open your email inbox, find the 6-digit verification code from Nvidia and enter it on the site. Click Continue. Review the permissions and recommendation settings and then click Submit. Congratulations, your Nvidia account is now ready. You can sign in and enjoy all the features Nvidia has to offer. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.